Well, hell, what do I get here, huh? Jeez. That's why we need a cameraman, because that was one hell of a fight.
Yeah, that sure is something.
Dang. Whew. Man, Jebediah, you good luck.
Oh, you think so?
Look at that size of that fish.
There's the 5 pounder I was hoping for.
Look at the size of that fish.
He sure is.
Look at him. Woo! Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. Smacked you with it. Woo! That's a fish and a half.
Boy, howdy.
That's a good, maybe 4 pounder. 3.5, 4, maybe. I don't know. Big bastard. See, I'm getting the tongue with this tongue. Yum, yum. Won't hail it down.